to Tongin Kaka side can knock by. Radical is our quote. A rare kite for a rare coit can lose the Zaman di pet. And I know Children Mother and Chuck to Kodi, for I chuck to Ginny Beard by being moved to Koi Rare Chaki, very chucked here until Uti Palamayo, Barrera Cock, in a pure taken with the natural Panabun, Sukuli, in a pure Natabel on the Loy. So, I walk cock, the rare grand cheat quad, a core part of his life. And I know which are low today, Kiakide, Vier Pochit, Chairman Chiman Mietke, Gentam, the Pure, Kawaga Ponet because of we are family. We would like to congratulate you, Dr. Chuti, for this achievement. It's very significant. And not just to celebrate as part of your family, but we also have a selfish interest in this. Because the fact remains that if one of us succeed and your husband being the largely depends on how successful they are personally and within their family. So, and again, if he is enjoying a life outside the family, it has an impact on you. So probably we could even be part of problem that would be exhibited by Isaiah, having learned those problems or us having contributed negatively causing stress for him. So, but if he's stress-free at work, that would be reflected at home. And if he's stress-free from home, that again is reflected at workplace. So we take this, and that is what I wanted to put across, that with the way you spoke tonight about your husband and the way your husband has been speaking about you, it's confirmed what there is a saying that a good marriage is one where each partner secretly suspect they got the better deal. And both of you have actually confirmed that the way you spoke about one another. These people here seated here tonight are actually trying to tell you you are the better deal. Because people spoke before me and they have mentioned the significance of your achievement. It is not just an ordinary achievement in terms of getting an extra degree. The significance lies in the challenges surrounding motherhood. And surmounting that and going to achieve this makes it significant, and that's why we are celebrating with you tonight. The second is that the way your husband has believed in you to support you, as you confirm, and that he is genuinely excited that he actually invited all of us here publicly to celebrate. You know, it is one thing for maybe for your husband to have paid for your fees, then after graduating you do a small party. It's still celebration, but this makes it different because he is genuinely excited about your achievement, and we find this very important, and that's why we are here, because we know that will be reflected to us. I want to thank my brother Paul. There has been this allegation made against men that we are not supporting women education. Probably yes, but there is an explanation to this. One of them is the motherhood challenge, where married women while they are taking care of their houses and children, it becomes very difficult for them to further their studies. That's one. The other are challenges, maybe financial challenges, where maybe a family cannot afford to educate themselves as parents, and they decide probably to prioritize the education of the children. But again, this has been disputed by what Brother Ajakguong has done. And I'm encouraging men here, let us follow what Isaiah has done. And we're trying to place that, Dr. Chuti, should you want to further your education, I'm sure God will do it the same. And next time, we will have our team of dancers from Horizon Bank coming to dance, just like the way I enjoyed the different groups presenting. Now, my last Baluel agenda is that pure the tick a muhimare tibili mi ne chijametane a wet chiwunden kumanden kun candid kumar candid attribute attack. We take this very seriously. Owale wada general Mabil ke gaman mitke owale wada chininja a Kwal Malik, a great liberator, a loyal soldier, and indeed a tough officer. And Runka Gachidita one in Bella Thorabi, Abiala, that is the great man we're talking about. Koike, Akeganon Kekuti, so all the family, the Horizon Bank, Oga Midport, Oga Proud, Oga Kai Kege, the one mother who could lay Kunukupotulo, the man, Red, Jane Koi Korean. Oga lay Kuben, we coach Ben, Bapol, Benamiat Kego. Ye give nature Chugama Manred, a Keda, Woko Lu Kege Zaya. Walk or we become a family Zaya, therefore our in-laws will abuke yeg more. In-laws kike tiar abuke yeg more bu chiwole ne nyenpiot intact diet kumoko biatin one mother attack kene kene wedianaka. Thank you.